Experience bathroom remodeling done right with premium Onyx shower installations. We are Southwest Missouri's veteran-owned and operated plumbing and remodeling experts, licensed and insured with a 5-star Google rating. Traditional bathroom materials often fail. Porous tile grout absorbs water and mold. Standard acrylic and fiberglass bases crack, leading to hidden water damage. Stop using temporary fixes and find a permanent solution. The Onyx collection is engineered for performance. It's a solid surface composite that looks like natural stone but eliminates porous grout lines. It is non-porous, solid, and grout-free, resisting mold and leaks. A permanent shower is built with custom wall panels cut to your space, a rigid shower base available in various sizes, and matching accessories. The slip-resistant texture ensures safety and stability. Compare your material options. The Onyx collection offers low maintenance, maximum durability, fast installation in 1 to 2 days, and zero leak risk, unlike traditional tile or acrylic/fiberglass. Make no compromise on design. The Onyx collection offers over 60 distinct colors and multiple finishes, like subway tile, shiplap texture, stone tile, and smooth gloss, to match your home aesthetic. Upgrade your bathroom in days. The process involves a call for same-week scheduling, a fast and transparent quote, demolition of the old system with precision, and a quick 1 to 2 day installation of pre-molded panels. R&R Plumbing and Remodeling brings veteran discipline and expert craftsmanship. We serve several counties, have total capability for the entire system, maintain clean job sites, and are fully insured. Our work is tested and proven in Southwest Missouri with a 5.0 star rating. We have over 100 happy customers, 47+ Google reviews, and have served 5+ counties, demonstrating superior quality and professionalism. The Onyx collection offers the last shower you will ever buy. Combining solid surface engineering with veteran-level precision equals a yes guaranteed forever promise. Don't wait. Get your new bathroom done right. Call us now for a fast response, fair quotes, and same-week scheduling, or schedule online with R&R Plumbing and Remodeling.